Electric motors and hydraulic motors are indispensable components of modern industrial systems. What are the respective advantages and disadvantages? Let's start with hydraulic motors. Thanks to their unique internal structure and drive method, they can output strong torque and power in a compact size, especially with their extremely high starting torque, easily handling high torque demands such as heavy load starts. Furthermore, they can easily achieve wide-range stepness speed regulation by adjusting the hydraulic oil flow, maximizing operational flexibility. However, they also have drawbacks. The energy transfer efficiency is generally lower than that of electric motors, resulting in some energy loss. Also, because they rely on hydraulic oil, they require regular oil changes and the check of pipeline seals, leading to relatively high long-term maintenance costs. In contrast, electric motors also have significant advantages. They have higher energy conversion efficiency, less energy loss, and are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Moreover, they offer sensitive start-stop response and high control precision, making them particularly suitable for applications requiring precise motion. However, its limitations are also obvious. For the same power, its size and weight are usually larger than a hydraulic motor, and its power density is relatively lower. Its starting torque is relatively lower, making it prone to insufficient power when starting under heavy loads. Speed regulation requires auxiliary equipment such as frequency converters, and its speed regulation range and flexibility are not as good as hydraulic motors. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.